Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Brothers and sisters in Chicago, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A major gathering is being organized in your city 27, 28, 29 June 2025 under the leadership of Maulana Saad Kandhalvi, a figure whose statements and actions have caused deep division and pain within the global Tablighi Jamaat. This is not a personal attack. This is a sincere call to awareness and caution. The respected Ulama and scholars across the world have openly rejected his distorted interpretations of the Qur'an and Hadith. He has dismissed the traditional shura system, claimed exclusive leadership, and even reinterpreted basic Islamic beliefs and acts of worship in a way that contradicts the teachings of the Prophet ﷺ and his companions. Among his most dangerous statements are declaring himself the sole Amir, saying, "Whoever does not accept me is going to hell," claiming that Nizamuddin is holier than all places after Mecca and Medina, saying the companions became apostates for leaving their mission, an accusation no scholar in history has ever made, changing the structure of Salah, giving rulings that go against the Hanafi fiqh, followed by the Jamaat since its inception, disrespecting major scholars and ulama of Deoband, including calling them ulama isu. This is not the Tablighi Jamaat that Maulana Ilyas rahmatullah envisioned, a movement of unity, sincerity, and humility. We humbly request, do not attend this Ijtema under false banners. Do not support those who manipulate religion for control. Do not remain silent when the truth is clear. Let us return to the guidance of the senior ulama and the original path of Tabligh, a path of unity, humility, and sincerity. May Allah protect us from deviation, guide us to the truth, and unite the sincere workers of Dawah and Tabligh upon haqq. Ameen.